plants is part of what I do every morning. I come out, I check the greenhouse. Now I'm going to come back and water. Some of these trays have gotten empty over the overnight, and I will put water in the bottom of each of these trays so that they bottom water the plants and so that they stay moist during the day. It also increases the moisture level for the greenhouse, which is good for the plants. They like it better that way. So let me get back to that. Every container in here is now sitting in a bucket of water. All these trays have got water in them, and we'll just leave them be for the day. The fan will be starting up soon for the greenhouse. I'm out here pretty early in the morning. I think the fan starts about 8 or 8:30. The top, you can see the top windows in the greenhouse are already doing their automatic opening thing. We'll just let these guys grow because they look happy. Happy, happy, happy. Some of this lettuce just boggles me. It goes from tiny to so much bigger so quick. This is the Selenova. It's just so impressive. I do love it. I'm hoping that we get a really good crop in here without the vermin problems we had outside, or the vermin problems we had in here earlier this year. I'm hoping that doing stuff later in the season avoids some of that.